I could remember when he passed by our boarding house, I was struck by his smile.
I joined religious organization and dito po na ako siya nakita.
We experienced a challenge, a big challenge in our lives when we almost broke up. I could remember what my papa was saying. Look, you have worked too much and you forgot you're a married woman and you forgot to take care of your family.
Maayad Haaldaw and Happy Love Month Buksu community. Welcome to another episode of Real Minds, Real Stories, the Buksu podcast series. Last month, we were moved by an amazing story by Dr. Bernard A. Monteron as he shares his story of redirection from priesthood to academic life. Redirection, different direction, same calling, all for the love of service. Today's episode is going to be extra special as we are having two members of our academic community. So in celebration of Love Month, we are with us this afternoon an amazing couple to share about partnership, relationships, and emotional well-being. So we have with us the director of the Student Welfare and Engagement Unit, also a faculty of the College of Education and a faculty of the Guidance and Counseling Program of the university, no other than Dr. Laura E. Anyar. Yay! And with her better half, no other than a faculty of the National Service Training Program, NSTP program of the university, Mr. Jerry E. Anyar. Sir Jer, Mamor, may hapon kaninyo diha.
Yes, good day everyone.
Yes, ang hapon. How do you feel? Karong hapuna?
I'm glad and a bit excited to share our love story.
Finally, kay Murag, alalagi ko be, musugot baka sila, but I'm so grateful,
For the
no?
second time.
Yes.
Na yes na.
Na yes na, kay previously we invited but nagsay kuan pa si Sir Jerry. Ito ba relatively bago-bago pag yun si Sir Jerry pod ato.
Yes.
So Murag, this time around we feel so honored that you have been gracing us with your presence this afternoon. So Murag, ginagmay lang good ni nga Murag palambigit sa inyo ang kaminyoon and how are we able to inspire pod also because there are also so many young couples right now here in Bukidnon State University. So in general, going over with relationship, partnerships, no? And then, hanto dayon sa ato ang pag-take care sa atong emotional well-being. So, munang, ang dagan, ana, is murag, paglambigit lang ginagmay. And then, munang magsugod na din ko sa pangutana na, if you can take us now, yeah, sa sinugdanan kung asa nagsugod ang tanan. Katong young Laura and young Jerry pa. Kinsa man kay murag pwede na ako makasugod, ana, murag, did it start like sometime in the late mga 1990s or early 2000s?
Late 1990s.
Late 1990s. In diri na Ma'am Lore, Bukidnon gyud. You are from Bukidnon ba gyud, Sir Jer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
From Pangantukan.
From Pangantukan. And si Ma'am Laura is
From Camp Phillips.
from Camp Phillips. And asa man nagkita ang mga pwersa? Where did you first meet?
Actually, ma'am, we started with I transferred from San Isidro College. That was my end of my seminary days. So during my first year here in BSU, before
BSc.
BSc, I mean, we have agreement with my mother. Yung ko saya gawas na lang sa ako sa seminary because that's my first year in seminary is mara siya ka nang dako kay nga struggle sa akong kinabuhi kay dito pag nag-break up akong ginikanan. So I decided nga mo pahulay lang sa seminary and then but we have agreement with my mother nga kung human ko sa akong bachelor's degree diri sa sa BEC. Then that's the time nga mabalik ko sa seminary. But but during my stay here, nag-long gyapon, gina-sustain gyapon ako akong vocation. I joined religious organization and dito po na ako siya nakita sa
Oh,
sa
yes.
light bearers.
Prayer
And
group.
I joined also the Legion of Mary, but dito rin na ila sa light bearers.
Mga, that was in 1990.
1999 or 2000.
98, 98, 99, yes.
Ma'am Laura at the time was also in her second.
Third year college,
Yes, third year.
going for fourth year. I was the president of the Light Bearers Prayer Group. And so he was together with other ex-seminarians also from the IT department.
The seminary, na sila din karon.
And so I could remember the late, our advisor was Ma'am Feli Titar, Ma'am Feli Ampong Titar. And so during the meetings, kinsa man ang tsada kay tingog sa choir kay there were kanang praise and worship. So he was together with Weng Soto, silang Luis Pao sa mga IT, and then siya sa education. So wala lang kanang ako din na siya, siya di ay may din na siya. So I did not know that he was an ex-seminarian. So we come to meet, establish friendship. But then before that, I could remember when he passed by our boarding house, I was struck by his smile. No, with his smile when he passed by the boarding house. Diya pa mong boarding house sa gamutan, diya sa Claro, sa gamutan. Nilabay na siya.
Ay, kabalo lagyan na.
Yeah. Wearing his white shirt and then kanang butterfly nito yung
Okay, ano naman seminary nakarata sa
mga bag. So, paglabay ni gwapo siya. And so my board mates and my roommates also natingala din sa Lord, kinsa dito? Nako, wow, kaila. And that's where I met him sa prayer group.
Pero si Sir, pag transfer niya diri, first year gid ka, Sir, ato or
Non-reg.
Yes, ma'am.
reg? Okay, regular.
Because we are the first batch in Pope John 23rd Seminary nga take up me og education. So
Okay.
pag transfer na ko diri.
So, education gid ka po
Continue
diri.
lang nako ako ang kuan.
So that started katong meeting dayon ninyo with the religious group.
Yes. But at first, he was courting somebody else. During those times. But then again, later, tingala ko kay, of course, with the organization, we go to church together, we go on. So, about how he looks at me kay, kanang, I brought big bags, big books, dagik the nerd type no na estudyante. So mutabang po na siya. Ako'y dalaan ng kuan. So it began with that, no. So the relationship was have started through friendship, through the organization, and then later on, ikaw na tiwas.
Actually, in addition po sa iya kuan, medyo wag ko magdahom sa akong kinabuhi nga
Magmi.
siya day ako ang mahimong first marag ako ang mauyab diri sa BSU before or karon sa Buksong. Nung makita nimo siya nga ang iyang sanina bitaw marag ang paglalaki de pilon bitaw diri.
Hand me down with my brothers.
Baston ang iyang so wala gid sa akong mind ba nga kuan. So ang akong gibuhat sa iya is kung nasa daghang dalon nga mga libro or bag
mo assist.
matabang lang ko sa iya. So
It started with that, na dayon.
I wasn't an attractive lady then, no? Kay the suits I'm wearing are hand me down from my big brothers. For my big brother, so naka-baston pants with big shirts. And then di kayo kabalog mga arte. And so nano ka to attract ka sa ako, no?
So that started, but you never also had like, wala po kay gi-entertain ato. Kay you were mentioning si Sir, kay he was at first having ginakwartan nga uban, but you were not entertaining anybody else at that time, Ma'am Laura.
Oh, yeah. But I often receive man love letters, but they are from first year college students, and I was a third year college then, so they were from mga young students. And then I had a breakup murag a year before with a classmate.
Third year ka, and then hantod na gini-graduate.
Yes.
Okay. And then pag-graduate then ato, of course you were working na dayon ato at the time, na then
Yes.
diretso na ba dayon?
Yes, I graduated March, and I enrolled in masters, and then I was invited in Bukidnon State College then by Sir Jess Hilior to teach in the lab school by September. That was after the licensure exam, 2000. So siya ato, fourth year pa siya, but we were in a relationship na ato murag 2 years na. 2 years na. But we're still together at that
Then
time.
diretso na dayon to you with Bukso, and then Sir Jerry
Finishing
finishing his degree at that time dire.
secondary ed.
And you got married in 20...
In 2004.
2004.
Yes, in 2004.
What month?
I think 2004?
2002.
Oh, 2002. So it was in 2000.
Okay,
So
2000.
after graduation nimo 2002.
2002.
We graduated 2002 March or April. Then we got married August of 2002.
Okay. And that started na dayon your journey sa Kaminyo na dayon. So right then there, of course, familiar man ko sa inyong family ko you're blessed with three.
3 children.
Okay, so pila na gay edad ni Miss Nicole
Si
karon?
Nicole, actually, I was pregnant with her during the time when we got married. So I was like a month or 2 months pregnant. So Nicole now is 22.
22.
22.
Okay.
She's going to turn 23 this year. And that's also where 22 years pud married na. And then Vincent is turning 16, and Pete is 10.
10.
Lagyo kay gap.
So how was it, Ma'am Lore? Like after marriage, the dynamics of you getting already employed with books already at the same time, naka-finish na, and then after finishing, you got married the same year. How was it on the first year, the first couple of years of married, and then having already Nicole, then at the picture? Kamusta siya?
Share? It was a bit difficult. I mean, giving birth, ato nga time kay I was a part-time instructor, a guest lecturer, so you will not be on leave, no? So if you're going to be absent, you don't have any salary ato nga time. But happy that I gave birth to Nicole December 15. And so pagbalik January, I was able to work. But then again, lisod kay we were young then. I was 24. You were also 24. So we were kind of adjusting to married life, and even at the time of my pregnancy, I was so demanding, no? Like when you go for prenatal, you have to be with me, and so we have to be together on a prenatal checkup, and we were also adjusting with our attitude and our behavior. Okay. Opposite pud kaiming duha at moment. Would you like to add?
Pero dili na mo ato gastigid sa Balay-Balay.
Yes, we rented a room sa to pa ba? A room, and at those moments kay di pa man pud stable ang income, and so we rented a room, and so saba kaayo ang surroundings kay it's a boarding house. And so upon giving birth, I would remember kay murag early gipugnan akong pag-give birth kay they thought it was a premature early labor. So I was on labor for like a week. A week to pa ba? I was hospitalized for a week. And then was taking medicine to prevent the baby from getting out. And then, but I was very close to my mama and tata. So they were all here.
During that time,
During
when you
that
were giving
time,
birth.
yes.
So naa sila ang
Naa
mga...
sila. Oh, and then Jerry was kanang nahadlok ato pa no. Ang imbis magdala siya og tubig, unsa gato imong gidala in the hospital, gisugo siya ni tata og palit og medicine ba to? Nya nalahos siya. Nahalaw siya sa sumpo.
Bis magpalit ko og tambal diya sa Rose Pharmacy. Naabot na ko hospital. Nung naabot na mo niya. So balik na pug ko. So
sa Polymedica to.
Sa Polymedica to.
And then so kana siya nga mga moments, so I was still dependent from my parents atong nga time, kana murag lisod pud mag unsa na siya pa to separate no emotionally, but of course we were there. It was really like a stage where we explore each other's kanang behavior. We explored married life out of not knowing what comes next, so the uncertainty of things, and I was very happy he was there kay I was the one working at first kay he's trying to look for jobs, and then so he was the hands-on papa in taking care of Nicole that time. So mas maayo gid siya Ma'am Sile magligo sa baby, ako talawan mahadlok jud ko na siya ana may siya mupuan, and he knows when the baby cries unsay kuan, so he's the hands-on dad and the hands-on papa those moments.
So, ato nga time gyud no kay relatively very 24 at the time, bago pa nakasal, and then a baby got into the picture na dayon, you exploring yourselves pa supposedly, but of course na alam ang baby sa picture na dayon. So, it was a bit siguro lagi, di ba, adjusting to your personalities sa inyong duha, and adjusting to the new task or the new role, I mean, as parent na dayon to Nicole. So, you were working pa at the same time ato, and then si Sir Jerry was full-time ato kay Nicole.
And then when you got the job, mama was there na so
Sa DepEd na dayon to atong
wala pa, kuan pa siya, he works in DPWH.
And si mama din
Ang
mo.
mama then took care of Nicole. Pila to ka months pa when she was 6 months. 6 months, 7 months. So dala siya sa Philippines, si Nicole. Narito, mama and my papa was down taking care of her. And then we would go home on weekends. And then later on, we decided to take her back and then hire someone to take care of her while we were working both. So he was working in DPWH. Then I'm working in Buksu. Dugay sad ko na regular. It took me like 4 years temporary, and I got permanent 6 years, so in 2006 pa. That was, Nicole was 4 years old then.
At that time. And then, wala pa si Vincent ato.
Wala pa.
So, murag, kato nga moment na dayon, murag na-enjoy pa ni Nicole day ang pagka-only child ato during the first 4 years ato. But si Sir ato is, diretso na dayon, DPWH na gyud siya.
Yes ma'am, mga almost 9 years ko sa DPWH.
And travel po na, Sir?
Oh.
Yes ma'am. But within yes.
Within Malay-Balay, rasag ka no, kana, like,
Tamas Kisulon. Kisulon, kana nga area nga kuha sa kuno.
Pero when you decided to take Nicole back na dayon, like makauli gyud gyapon ka at the end of the every day.
Yes ma'am.
Okay. So murag kato ang setting. Kay kato in the first couple of months dito pa si Nicole, and then mura din mo atog dalagang ulit taon na din diwali kay wala siya ba kay kwaon na yung weekend. Then gikuha na din siya balik na po dayon.
Yes.
So murag I think that was also giving some time na din to explore pa dayon nga hala, this is our new role na dayon. And as lahi gid na in the first couple of years kay mas mailhan ninyo thoroughly na dayon. And after na din ato, Vincent was born in
Vincent was born in 2009.
2009.
That was after we experienced a challenge, a big challenge in our lives when we almost broke up. That was in 2007. And then we gotten back together like 1 month, 2 months man to ba? Di pa uli ka?
Yes.
And then after 2007, no, Vincent was born. Then 2009. So we actually, just like other couples, we have encountered big challenges in life. While he was in DPWH, I'm in Buksu, I was a very workaholic person who often comes home late in the evening. So mga 7, 6 p.m. So when he comes back from work at 5, I'm not there.
So medyo na-busy ang mga...
Nabisi kinabuhi sa panrabaho. And so I forgot that I'm actually married na. And then, would you like to add?
Actually, yeah. Kanang bang usako gud ma'am Sahil kay tungod kay nakaagi siguro ko sa formation. So kana bang galong ko bang kay married life man ang ako ang gipili. So parang idealistic kay ko ba nga dapat akong asawa, akong anak na after 5 na nagit siya sa balay. So mo to gingon niya nga pag muli ko gikan sa akong trabaho, excited kay ko. Pag uli wala pa'y wala pa ko'y masapnan sa balay. So lakaw sa ko pila ka ko naman may motorcycle lad pa nga time. So after 2 hours balik na puggo. Pagyapon siya kay usay muuli ni sa sauna mga 10 o'clock o 9.
Grabe sa to. During na akop na ha.
Mga instances.
So nana ba niya? Oh, hangtod nga
7,
may nay ka dito sa mga barkada nga dito ko nakatuon gid og kanang inom nga
Nightlife.
kanang nightlife.
Because wala man na siya sa seminary nga asa mga kuan.
Pero dili kay naman sildam lang ba occasionally makakuan ka. Pero mo to inadto na ko mara nahimo na nako siya ba nga marag uli ko balay magyamoy akong masapnan dito. So marag mas na close na ko akong mga kauban nga medyo mo inom sad. So mga inana ba nga kuan antod nga kaya medyo gid mi naabot gi sa punto nga hapit na magid mi magbulag. Marag kanang gamay na lang siguro kay ka but I realize nga tungod siguro sa mong anak nga nanami anak ato nga time nga bang sa amuang conversation nga grabe na kainit din kana makita bitaw nimo sa daplin ang imong anak nga marag gahilak nga marag ako sa mismo marag ako sa makuan pud ba nga so I'm from a broken family din mo ra gyapon ni ma-experience ako ang little girl. So moto murag isa sa gid pud nakakupot sa mo isang ang among anak kay kung gusto di man ko gusto nga kung sa akong ma-experience mo niya. So we decided but ang
of
good
course
thing
the Lord was
ang good thing lang
with
po
us
dito sa mga kay ningon siya nga we will start na magsugod ta nga wala na tayo mag-blame di na ko niya i-blame di na sana ko sa i-blame deal.
It's like in the song Starting Over Again, kanang my parents came to intervene. So with his mama came to intervene. But when you're at the height of your emotions, you'll not be able to think straight, man good. No? And so when my father and my mother came, so they decided, my papa said, we'll give time for both of you to cool off. Sige kanang uli ka sa inyo. Siya. Ikaw, I could remember what my papa was saying. Lut, you have worked too much and you forgot you're a married woman and you forgot to take care of your family. So, yes, and so, but of course, I was so apologetic now with my papa and my mama telling me, and so we part for like a month, and then glad po during that time, Bukso has the Lakbay Aral, the trip to Cebu. I was able to, sige na siya pa. I was able to also kanang divert my attention. I was able to go to Cebu, to Bohol, but then later on, nano ba ito yung cellphone ato nga time no?
Yeah.
Later, ato, he communicated, I want to go back, I want to be home. And that was the time we agreed, no? And we tell our parents that, okay, my papa said, unsa man yun inyong decision duha. And so we kind of hold each other's hand and told our papa, we will still be together. We were married, married in church, and the Lord has binded us together. So we decided to be together.
That happened in 2008, Ma'am Lor?
2007. 2007. That was in July 2007. And then
The cool off was like 2 months.
Yes.
Niuli ka sa Manolo? Niuli po si Sir sa Pangantukan?
siya ni uli sa Pangantukan. I have work. So I stayed here.
Ma and Papa was with you.
Brought and they also brought Nicole with her para kay my daughter then kanang murag kan notice pang no. She can notice man that there's problem with both of us. So good that naaman sad siya bantay ato. So gaschooling pud si Ira ato. Unsahay mama and papa comes and visit Nicole ato nga time. And so kana it was a struggle in 2007. Kay I always tend to kanang turn back. It's like you're recalling past mistakes. 2000. But then later on, nahinay-hinay with God's grace. No, I learned to forgive myself. I also learned to forgive him. And then that was then, we even changed house ato pa no. Nabalhin mi. From Kudal, we went to Grandma. And then sa Grandma pod, because I experienced miscarriage. So my brother was also schooling pa akong younger brother here at the time. So we decided to come back, to be back in Kudal. And that's where Vincent was born in 2009.
The 2007 thing was really very difficult. Of course, I believe it was really tormenting kayong 2 months, diba? And
5 years pag ito married, no?
5 years married at that time, and then
we often question, like, kanang, why? It's too early, and we're very young. I was then
20s.
Oh, in the late 20s. When other marriages would experience this at the age of 40, midlife crisis man. Why was it too early for us? And lo and behold, unsa gyud imong giingon? When we realized things, he said, ikaw na sa storya. He said, I think it's because I was in the counseling profession.
Ma-GC na ka atong Lord.
Ma-GC na ko. And so, even if you're young, at least you get the insights how to take care of your married life, no? And we can be able to share to others how to hold on to love, no? And how to take care of.
And I think the moment that you were physically not together, it gave you the time to really ponder on so many things, di ba?
Yes.
Mas daghan ang contemplation, ang discernment.
Yes.
And of course, si Sir Jerry, kay in Pangantukan, physically missing Nicole, Ira at that time. Kay,
Yes.
pero atong 2 months, nagabisita-bisita ka ato, Sir, atong mga time. Or,
I intentionally nga kanang wala lang yun sa kuan. Kanang matagbag akong makakita ko soul searching ba kung gitan-aw ba akong kaugalingon. Unsa na bang ako gining testingan nga kuan unsa ba yoy kanang gusto sa kuang kasing-kasing gusto kong una-una. Parang ando dako kintabang pod sa kuha to nga time kay kapag nakakuan ko break sa kuang anang pressure kay nga kinabuhi. So wala kay ko ni nag-detach na ko sugod sa akong mga barkada nga pulis na ko mahagilap sa una. So dako kay siya nga kuan nga murag need gid tao anang need gid siya og kana bang maka-encounter bitaw taw mga bugat kay nga mga problema na instead nga atong ilaag aron malimtan. Pero good thing lang pud kay murag natabangan ko niya ba nga ato sang i-separate ang ato ang kaugalingon then balik ta kung ready na ta sa next nga ang ato na i-continue. Isa po sa mong struggle sa una, Ma'am Sally, kay during sa mga difficult nga panahon, kanang daghan bitaw siya marag mo advice or kanang tungkol sa iyang pagka-friendly.
Network.
Then ako lagi wa ko ilaing kuan gyud, wala ko ilaing bisag ako mama wala na ko gi-enter
Keep it
sa
sa imong kaugalingon,
ako lagi yun.
Oh.
Then ang akong gusto sa iya nga ginahangyo sa una nga ato man ning problema, do not bring your workmates and other friends. Gusto na mo nga kami lang may istorya. And dugay niya na realize
Yes.
nga dili ko gusto kanang sa tawag kana makigistorya kanang with other kuan ba nga kay this is married life and this is a private life. So kung sulbaro nato ni kita dapat ato gini sulbaro nga kita lang. So dugay na niya na nakuha nga kuan nga usay dalo na iyang katong iyang previous principal and then
Akong Berks friends.
yeah, kato silang mga kuan then I felt nga murag nisamot na inong kog ka burst ba nga ko nga dili mo akong gusto nga solusyon. Gusto nga istoryahan nato ni nga anang kita lang nga kay murag dili ko inana nga kuan bitaw nga sildam lagi na ko tugi pang share sa ako ang kuan sa akong mama lang kato lang pero dili gid tong sorry
Or even sa imong mga group or
yes,
circle
ma'am.
of friends.
Wala gid toy ingon nga kuan kay I feel humiliated nga murag nung samot bitaw ko nga na kuan nga na inferior kay wala mo ko'y ka-sharean sa akong kuan na even my wife murag I feel nga dictated na siya sa other sa outside ba nga kuan nga murag dili naman ni mao ako ang kaistorya usual na ko kaistorya marabag
Like I became a different person, Ma'am Sai.
gapangita ko adto nga kuan ba nga usaon ako siya nga kana bitang mo melo siya dayon katong mobalik siya sa as usual lang mo nga makigistorya sa eskwela murag paghawa na mo o pag-break na mo og at least 2 months pagbalik niya mura na siya na PhD bitaw diretso mo nga master na kay sa applyan na ko niyang mga di na mo problema murag ka na masulbad na sa ani nga level ba so murag ginana ako kuan sa
So
una
murag nastudyuhan na tanan niya mga anggulo.
Oo, kuan. Kaya murag na-feel po na ko bang murag di na magini
That was after na tana to katong Tumas nga okay na tana. Pero
Yeah, that was the time where I also had my fight with my low self-esteem kay na when I felt betrayed. So when my friends told me, mag-ayos ka, Lord, mag-makeup ka, pagwapa ka, and I don't usually do that.
Oh, lagi.
I don't put on makeup, I don't put on lipstick, and I don't care about what I wear. But during those times, mura po kog na warla ka jud. Like I put on lipsticks. Even my grade 2 learners would tell, oh, teacher is putting on new lipstick. And so, ato nga time. And then, when I look at the mirror, that was the time I then realized, no, this is not me. This is
imagine
not
Ma'am
me.
Sile
Uh,
di sa kabalo magbike pag ila na mo di sa kabalo magbike so di po sa kabalo magmotor
uh,
during sa amo ang kanang struggle nga kinabuhi he learned to nag-practice yan. Practice siya kanang motor. Okay, gibili man akong motor sa iya ha. Sige,
Pero
imo man na
bakit
kasi imo man ang pangalan. Sige, go ahead. So, but pagkabalo na ko nga nagtuon sa motor, ko sure ko dito kabalo mo motor.
Kadi mo ko balog bike.
Kaya di mo sa kabalog bike at the same time naswito na nako siya ba nga marag na basay na nga mga butang helpless siya na nga kuan.
So,
Kung sagdara to siya sa iyo, sige imo to yung motor. So, good man, wag sa katunog motor.
Part 2 nga kuan kay yung gusto dapat mag-phone ko kay kuan. But yeah, that was really that phase, no? 2007 was really one of those
the darkest
best phase in your married life at that time. And then Pete came into the picture, and then in 2015. So dugay-dugay from 2009 to 2015. So murag nabalik na ba ang dynamics dayon ninyo ato Ma'am Lore from 2009 onwards na dayon?
With Vincent, we also have to adjust kay Nicole then Vincent. And then,
Pagsulti magudto niya nga pag ingon niya ma'am nga kanang gubot kaya mong kinabuhi adto nga time. So pag ingon niya nga sige magsugod ta dayon. Pag ingon niya nga mag-start tag sugod nga wala
kalimtan ang tanan.
Then I feel glad kay bisag hangtod karon bisag gamay nga word wala gid ko nadunggan o na feel nga gikan bitaw mi ana nga kuan nga struggle. So isa po na sa nakapaligkon sa kuha na isip husband wala bitaw gikay kuan nga marag gikuan bitaw nga ikaw sa una ra ba? Never in our
when others
present
said,
life wag ginako na makan. So isa sa pud akong sa giyuktan ba nga promise sa iyaha tungod kay wala na ko na nakuan. So I feel fully accepted. Then pag ingon nga sugod kita nga without second thoughts. So ginana man ba nga kuan.
one thing that have helped us was we joined a marriage encounter. Joined a marriage
isa po na sa
encounter.
naka-kuan sa
We
mga-
were on a retreat in 2012. But during those times with Vincent, 2009, then I went work, nag-take na din kag licensure exam. And then, I could remember he said kay nana ko, perhaps kanang naay change of plans ang Ginoo sa imo pang. Kanang bas hindi giday ka pang DP? Kay di man ka engineer actually. Oh, so then
Kung ako ni Bugi pahawa basig dato na kay ta karon. BP baya.
and so he decided, sige mang, take og licensure exam. And then when he decided, of course, kay kung para gyud ka diha, you can get the license. So, if the Lord wants you to be there. So, more than to, na he took the let and passed the let, no. So di gyud ka pang DP, pang teacher gyud ka. But before that, sa when Vincent was 2 years old, 2011, nang-apply siya Ma'am Sile og sundalo. Sundalo or pagka-pulis. Pulis o sundalo? Murag,
Police.
may gani kay wala ni apasar yang height. Kulang ka half inch, marana. Kay ako kulbaan ko kay ni adto man siya Cagayan kay mag-apply dito nagpadlo kay nagkanto ko. Lord, unsa gyud ka ang career path ni Jerry, Lord, no? So pag adto na pasar man siya sa kwan, so nakaparang siya sa DepEd. So when Vincent was kanang 2 years old, na-assign din kapang sa Bakusanon. Sa Bakusanon. Yung pangantukan.
Okay.
And during, layo pa na. Layo sa poblasyon. Kaya
layo.
poblasyon Manila, iya Bakusanon. And lahi na sad to kay distance.
Pero before ko nag-take og board ma'am, actually marag isa sa to sa kong mga sakripisyo pod ba nga dili lang sa ko take og kanang board exam kay sa ingon nga nabang mas hands-on ko sa akong mga anak during sa akong trabaho, even during lunchtime, ako pa uliyon akong anak. Dayon. So may nana ba? O nga ko paghapon ako siyang ilaag. Ano bang unsay wala kay nako ma-experience then ginalong nako nga moment sa papa o anak. So ako gikuan sa akong saya sa akong mga anak. So
Well, you want to
intentionally
savor
wala sa gid ko ni take og board exam. First ang first nga take sa ako ang batch mo po'y pizza sa among kasal August.
Yeah.
That was August 24.
24.
So ni back out sa ko sa ko ang exam. Dayon pila ka tuig kay mara na comfortable na po ko sa akong previous nga trabaho kay naraman dol sa Capitol. So mauli ra na ako diri sa akong anak kung nay kinahanglanon. So wala akong ambition yun nga ma-regular dito kay siyempre bibiyagi ko engineer. But ang ako lang nalang gigoy ka ng anak ko'y
Mag-lead.
so inana nga mga sakripisyo nga akong nakuhan. Maputo nga isa pod sa akong girason sa iya nga ano mo makita akong sakripisyo pod nga kanang all throughout sa imong career sa imong kuan gasuportahan may ginako siya. Di sa ako nga struggle. Mura bitaw ko gibiyaan ako niya sa iri nga. Sige. Paundang tagag trabaho, mura ginana ba. Marag sa kong buot ba nga. Hindi mo gid maong solusyon pero I have to accept nga inani na gid siya nga kuan. So I learned to talk with mga previous na ko nga mga rektor. Isag ulaw kay kung makigatubang ako giyadtuan sa seminary Father Felix pa ato nga time. So, nainlighted po ko gamay sa mga kuana mo sa iyang mga words. So inana hangtod ni nga niabot among ikaduha o ikatulo nga anak. So bisag hangtod honestly karon man bisang galig kana bang na ako'y civic organization kumingon galing nga kanang mag chat ginagmay as in giwala ko na gina nga kuan dili ingon nga kanang wala ko'y social life but kana bang mas malipay pa ko nga makiguban sa akong anak sa akong pamilya instead of makigugoy-hugoy. I'm not saying nga ako ang civic organization nga giapilan dili maayo. But that's my personal decision.
You're making intentional time with
I have to do nga napagyapon ko sa organization but at the same time mo kung gingon nga sorry na lang yun kay mas malipay ko or mas priority na ko kung mga anak mga ginana na nga kuan.
Okay, grabe ka kuan. So
But the Lord was so very great. I mean, gracious sa yun, Ma'am Sail, kay when 2007 was the darkest moments, in 2011, we were very victorious when Sir Vic asked me, Dr. Barroso asked me to join the Metrobank Foundation Search for Outstanding Teacher. That was in 2010 and then 2011. So, apil na gikuan pag board of pag ani sa BI so sa board investigators, someone really mentioned nga Laura was so workaholic, that's why his family was kanang have experience being on the rocks for like ana. So hapit ko ka back out na to, Ma'am Sail.
Hilag siya, grabe
Hilak ko.
dagoy-ngoy. Ang LBC sa una nagpila to ka file nga folder murag upat. Di na niya ipadala sa Manila.
Okay.
So ako postro saya. Ano maminaw man ka sa ilaan ang imo man ato maninga kuan. Buwan. So mo to nga murag na late pag ito din gihangi lang namo ang kay murag madikyo na siya tumamba kay kanang ang time. So
I was called on the phone.
Gihangi lang namo ang sa LBC nga murag ma-move lang gamay ang time para musulod pagyapon sa qualification sa kuan sa
For
deadline
the
kay bali.
nomination.
Yes, ma'am.
Oo.
Kaya daghang kay mga negative nga marag pag na-dig up na pud hinuon balik ba. Imbes na heal naming duha. So pag abot atong nga interview nga well in fact napagay-adder nga napagyapon diri sa ato ang community pero wala ginamo ingon nga kanabang magdumot or magwan kay in a way tinuod man na pero ang importante is kitang duha nga kasi nang wala na bitay kuan ma'am murag po na akong gikuan sa ihaba nga sometimes nasa sa career nga sa guidance nga counseling nga kuan pero usay makita po din ako ba nga ang usa ka guidance counselor is na po say vulnerable nga part ba nga iko nga human gid nga ako sawa kay ako pa mangid siyang makuan iko nga makahanap ko sayo nga abi na ko bright ako asawa ako say ako maday bright wala gidana siya mamba tungod kay siguro kanang lahi pa ang iyahang ang iyahang pamaagi sa pag-cope up ba sa strong gid ni akong wife but there are some times nga I know nga need pud niya ang ako ang a little idea and a little advice.
Little big. So ato nga time I'm sorry, I was crying while defending my post kay I was made to kanang rebut what was kanang claimed by others during the visit of someone here in the university. So I said although our marriage were put on a challenge, so we experienced struggles, but that was where the strength came in, that we were able to be strong individuals together after the crisis that we had experienced. So moto siya. So both of us and our family went to Malacanang in 2011. So Vincent
You're one of
was
those
there.
most outstanding
Yes,
teachers, no, sa Metrobank.
Sa Metrobank. So Vincent was there, Nicole was there, Papa and Mama and si Jerry was there. So murag ana day ba nga life is kanang kuan gid kanang unsa gyud tawag pa? It's when you're up, you can also be down, then it's
There are always
a cycle ba?
tawag og blessing in disguise ba nga mga kuan encounters kinabuhi nga.
yes.
We thought that was the very sa batawa na kanang murag down sa among kinabuhi but it turns into
Something very great na.
a big
And,
foundation.
And we thought nga tama na mi ka Vincent, but then again at the age of I was 37 then Pete came to the picture. And the pregnancy was very difficult kay I was diagnosed with gestational diabetes mellitus upon pregnancy. So happy that kanang from Bakusanon Bakusanon pa ka ito pa,
Yeah.
hospital no?
Bakusanon.
Then he finally decided from Division of Bukidnon, decide na siya nga mag-apply sa Division of Malaybalay. Okay, I have told him, kids are growing up, and di man ko disciplinarian, Ma'am Sail. Siya ang disciplinarian sa balay. So, madala rin kasi mga anak. So, it's
Kung madlungon niya akong anak, napaisay gamay nga argument, tawad, nihilak na akong anak, nihilak na po siya. Orosahay, siya una mo hilak, ay adi mo hilak akong anak. So, mga inana ba nga, kuhan.
So, he decided.
So that prompted na dayon the transfer.
And so, mo nang siya diri sa Bukidnon National High School.
That time.
At that time.
And then,
so,
what year ka sir ni transfer na din here in Buksu?
2023.
Okay. So you're on your third year na, mag-third year na diri.
Third year, karong September.
But with BNHS, dugay-dugay na po ka dito.
Almost 4 years.
4 years, 5 mo, paana.
That was really mas easier na din, Ma'am Lor, with Sir Jerry na
with
get
him around, yes.
in town. Okay,
Yes.
of course, no need to travel. I
Yes,
remember
ma'am.
one time kay ingon ka nga si Pitpit kay dalon pa usahay dito
Yes,
sa
oo.
Yes, ma'am.
sa Makantukan.
Okay, way bantay. So,
Mm.
siya'y dala. siya gadala sa bat
Ako siyang dalon kay sometimes ano bang mag-travel ko kay kuan man kadlawon sa Monday. So ang ako ding mga anak usay sipit ang akong kaluyan gid sa una nga pag maratiman na bitaw niya nga at 4 o'clock mata na ko kay mulakaw na ko. Pag makamata siya diretso din siya sa dagan sa katong iyang kabinet. Maghag na siya daghang king sanina din dagan muban sa kuha. So sometimes kanang like na ako yung mga kanang I feel nga busy kay kuha na nga week. Ako sa ibilin pero but nagi panahon gid nga magtulo akong luha nga magbiyahe pa ingon sa akong station kay I know 1 week ba ako nga di ko kauli kay it almost more than 2 hours akong travel so dili gina ko makaya bitaw nga ulion ra nako everyday.
Oo,
So,
layo bikil po kaayo.
sa mo nang bukat kisa kong kasing-kasing ba nga so sigahilaka akong anak kanya kanang magdala na siya sa nina nga marami taw siyang nalimukawan. Kato yung paborito nga habol, paborito niya nga dulaan yan ang bitbiton. Pero say, di magita siya pwede nga dalon. Pero kung kanang ordinary days lang, ako di siya nga dalon.
And then naman siya dito tuluganan. So dito sila uban niya. Puli-pulihan sa yung estudyante bantay sipit.
Ako naka-strategize po ko sa akong mga anak during sa pagstay na ko sa akong station sa una. Daghang kay kog dulaan mga isa ka box. Dayon every time nga gusto siya magdula, natagaran ako sa isa ka dulaan nga iyang pag mapulaan na siya, ipuso na po din ako, di pagawas na ako. Another. So dili na ko dunganon og kanang pagawas kay at least napay look forward nana ba. The same sa yung mga pagkaon. Tagalan ako sa mga kuan. Hangtod nga marag isa po to sa nakapamaster sa ko samot sa ang pagatiman sa ilaha ba. Marag hago kay siya nga kuwan tungod kay wala mi sakto dito nga nang sa balay
Tugnaw kaayo.
tugnaw dayon marag challenge gid kay siya pero marag I feel contented ba nga basta bahala magkinaunsa ta basta kinahani ako nga anak nga vulnerable tungod kay helpless pa man siya then na-accept na pagid nako iyang pagka-busy so maningkamot na lang ikog dala sa akong anak para kanang peace of mind pud nako ba nga kuan.
Kaya murag mangita mapud yun si...
I think si Vincent po nadala-dala po gyapon ni Manita na growing up.
And then at least in 20 ko na dayon when you're transferred na dayon to BNHS, I think mas napadali na gyud dayon.
Yes.
You're blessing. I think for someone siguro who's having like we look forward man gud nga atong mga partner na gyud sa kuan kanang it's a blessing man gud to be home every like kana bitaw nata lagyo medyo dagko lahi-lahi man tag pananaw pud sa kinabuhi in terms of what we value in life but yeah for Sir Jerry I think for kan marag lahi ra gyud ang makauli pod nga kanang di na gyud kamo tuyoon gyud nga intentional ba kay at the end of the day lagi na-accept naman niya usahay mong pagka-busy pero kabalo gyud siya na nga ang iyang level of tolerance na din nakasabot naman siya so all the more siguro when Sir Jerry transferred na in Bukso where he's mas na sabta niya ang dynamics na dayon sa university.
I was actually caught off guard when he applied. I did not know. I did not know he applied. I had na siya nagsulti nga ay mang paki-check sa ni akong PowerPoint o lesson plan kay mag via Zoom man to no ang interview og demo nako. So unsa day na nag-apply man gud ko sa ha? Yan so at that time. And I think kay he wants to be closer to the children kay the children was having their school here sa Bukso. So much more and I'm very glad kay when he's in the teaching profession he already learned to be more understanding with our job with the work that we have so anak
Ang importante gid Ma'am Sail kanang makauli gid siya sayo kay parkingan man ako iyang opisina kanang hapit na alas 5. Okay. So dili na ko mag-invite sa, di na ako mag-remind sa iya ha. Nakita sa ko tindog-tindog na ko dito. Ano to siya?
Okay,
Sa kabila,
ikaw na
hipos
check
na.
sa work-life balance. Okay,
Kaya nakita nang po na ako good mom nga atong sa itong mga tuwing nga gipasagdaan na ginago siya or anang awa man sige pasagdaan no gi-remind pero nakita na ko ba ang feedback sa iyang health medyo di ko dili ko dihado gitani nga kuan always ko siya gi-remind ko nga ang bukso is atong trabaho is naragi na sa pero me kung kita kung di nato to timanon ano bang ang imong mga anak ang ako mga anak ang sigigat ng taon ba nga every time sa kahuna-huna bitaw kung sino kung akong mga anak bata pa niya diabetic at the same time.
Oh, I was hospitalized like for 5 days to pa, no? When my blood sugar toast up to 468 and
So murag diabot sa ko sa punto nga kanang di na gid ako sa angay pasagdan. Ako gid I have to remind her nga ang ato ang lawas is more
You're
gini
not
isa ra
getting
gini
any
kabuok
younger.
nga kuan. Ayun nanambok na magali mig subod ko ba.
Yes.
murag so murag that kuan na dayon
That
nga
was a
murag-
wake-up call.
That was a wake-up call. I think you were also going with your pursuing your PhD pa ato nga time more,
Yes.
no? Murag on top of all your other
Oo.
functions pa. So murag that was a wake-up call na gyud kay murag na-tolerate na sana ni Sir Jerry nga
Yes,
tingnan ani gid ni siya pero murag when that happened na dayon when
Yes.
your
Sa dana gini hantod nga iyang
mga physical
PhD.
symptoms.
Yes, ma'am. Sa iyang PhD na nagakahuman hapit. Ako siyang giingnan ko nga kay nag-apply naman sa tug pila to ka months nga
For
leave.
leave.
Kung di ka mahuman ka sa dili, magbuhat kog dako kay nga tarpaulin. So magpabuhat na ko daan og tarpaulin ganin niyang katawa. So mahuman na lagi ko. Ko bahala ka basta kay karong graduation magbuhat kog tarpaulin.
No.
Awayon ako niya kay murag na left out man pud nako gyud akong writing sa pagtiwa sa PhD and then dugay naman kay na ma'am kano sa pamanday ka kay so tungod siguro sa kabisi I put everything on
busy na sa mas
hold.
na-prioritize na trabaho.
Trabaho and so happy that also Bukso gave me time when Dr. Abiwala said ipalive na lang gyud na si Laura kay di na siya mahuman. So that was in 2023 naka 1 year ko leave. But we
1 year.
also experienced a challenge at that year kay my mother-in-law got sick with liver cirrhosis.
Liver cirrhosis.
Liver
Mm-mm.
cirrhosis at that time and so dito na po I think the Lord gave us more time to although I was on leave writing for my dissertation I also have time to be with him traveling to Pangantukan to and from.
That gave you enough time to be like
Take
at home,
care,
take care of the
yes.
kids, do things that are not so usual.
Yes.
For you. Kaya usually si Sir Jerry naman itong full time into ato no.
Yes.
Marag it gave us a time for us to kuan ba reflect nga mo giday ning typical housewife.
Yes. And very difficult.
Very
Challenging.
mingawon jud ka sa
Oo.
imong kuan. But with everything Ma'am Lorna and Sir Jer that you really went through from your marriage in 2002 down to this date, of course having 3 kids na dayon. Of course the kids are really very much they're fully aware of all these things that are happening or more at some point you really keep it as because there really are parents they try to filter things out for children. How are you going over with these experiences and then having the need to really attend to parent these kids? Are there at some point that you need to talk to them straight nga, okay, this is what's happening to mama and papa or ana or si Nicole pa man to ato nga time?
Ang si Nicole pa man.
Pero
But then Nicole, I think have realized usay kay we become we are often invited mangod to share testimonies.
yes, kana no.
Share our stories and our kids were there listening.
So that's the time that
so
usually
they're
they get
aware.
to comprehend na dayon.
Oo.
Mas makasabot. Of course kasi Ate Nicole mas
Mas
older man
older,
siya siya.
So
So
Vincent.
But after sa kanang nalagay mga testimony, amo silang istoryahon nga anak kaya magnana sa mga i-process na mo. At least mas la idea ba nga lisod man pod gun nga kanang dili gikan gid sa muwa niyan madunggan lang bitaw nila nga nanang impa nga ana. So kanang kung ipasabot gid siya nga.
That's nice. Kaya at least ba they're able to like, mo din na, and then they're not able to process
Yes,
everything. So that's I
yes.
think a good thing that they're you from your own mouth good gikan and then processing it sa ila good.
Yeah.
Like for now, like these days for example, of course we cannot kuan man gyud no kay inevitable man gyud ang disagreement, conflict.
Yes.
How do you at some point provide emotional safety net sa matag usa? Like how do you provide emotional safety gihapon at the end of the day that you don't end up with kana na pong at some point nga medyo tong grabe ka emotionally hype bitaw kay ta sa tong gibati?
Yeah, we listen. We listen to each other. When he's the one angry, I have to keep myself quiet. I don't talk back. I don't and then siya pod, he often goes to his garden.
Alegi, yes. Salamat
when
sa
he's
mga gardens
angry,
fair kay daghan kitang mga gwapa nga bulak diri sa
Yes, so,
campus.
so I would know he's mad at me kung tuwa siya sa iyang garden. So I will know mga kaan. Nga lang ka man, mangwa na siya, mangwa sa mga laya nga dahon, mang spray. And he would also know nga I'm mad. Okay, I would clean up the sink, the CR, so yun na.
Mana usahay Ma'am Sayer nga kanang mas ganahay ko masigi sa kasuko.
Okay.
Malimpyo mong balay mari sa mga cabinet and all.
So mo na coping video.
Way
Yes,
of coping. But kanang we listen, like I know when he's mad, I have to be the water. I have to cool down. Okay, and when I'm mad, mohilom rampod na siya. But we really listen to each other's kanang needs. Like when I would have cases, very very challenging cases sa office, mabantayan man niya kay mo na man siya Ma'am Sail. Pag bisita na siya sa office, mancha, do you need to take a walk? Baklay ta. Mana na siya. So we would go for a walk, diri sa school or adto Capitol pag mauma na ang class, ang work after 5, and if the weather is fine. So mana din na siya kay kabalo pud siya nga taas gurug blood sugar aning babayanan ni. So sige upat ka round na.
That's your physical ko ano lang po. Way of having your physical na lang wellness ng mga activities.
Like while walking, storya dayon, mga ingon na. And that's how we actually, and of course we pray together. That's very important.
Sa mong balay pod kung makita sa akong mga anak nga medyo nami mga disagreement, mga tension gibalik. So mabutang na ilahang mga cellphone din. Ila din kong duolon or ilang mama. So mama, saan yung gawayan di Yan ang mga
They become the
middle child.
mediator.
Marag it's marag inamigo lang bitaw nga kuan. Marag
Conversation.
dili mo na mo sila gusto gud niya kana mag-away mi nga wala bitaw sila ikuan pero di ko gusto ba nga mo kalit lang bitaw sila nag-away mo din sila di ay. So kanang as much as possible kanang kabalo sila pero in control pagyapon mi ba nga i-control gyapon na mo nga kanang kuan. Usahay tuyo na lang ginako nga kanabang suko gigo then ako din anak mo man dili ba na like especially si Pete ningon niya sa
Ang the youngest.
Mara siya isa sa amo apong kuan nga dili ba na ga kuan di ko ganahan gyud og kanang mag-aaway sa tong pamilya.
Si Pete.
Mara my way na it's my way na pod ba nga makatuon sila usaon nila nga
pag-handle yung aning mga conflict management.
Mata po sila sa advice na inanawan nimo. Like during Valentine's Day, namigamay kuan.
Atong Valentine's?
Ano din akong anak na ikaduha. Naghatag ba ako, nagpalit ba ako kanang bulak sa ako ang crush pa daw niya. Ikaw, sa may kuan ko. Atagi mo magbulak, walang kamahatag sa imong crush. So, ikaw sad pa paghatag kay kanang lain kay gahatag-hatag ko bulak sa kuan na si mama din mo hatagan nga makabalo siya nga gahatag ko. Kung inana ba.
Mm.
Ako na siyang isultihan ko sa pili. Bulak or
Kaon.
O siya yung gipili, Ma'am Lor.
Kaon, of course.
No, mahilig na ni
So,
Bola.
marag wala na
so-
na sa wala na kami kaya ng sa kuan ng bulak ba. Naman yung
Yeah,
bulak
lagi. Pero
dili
syempre,
na gid siguro inana ka bitaw.
Yeah, as katong kumpara gyud sa mga
Kay kung kaon kami man tanan.
true.
Ah.
Nas naka mga daghan ang mauban.
Oh.
Pero sa makita ginako ang kilig sa kong mga anak nga every time nga ako siyang lambingon, ako siyang tagag something like simple gift saya makuan sila ba nga marag may
So you get to
wish,
see.
I know nga mo po nilang wish nga walay tension nga ma-feel nila sa mga balay. So muna as much as possible mo po na akong paningkamutan nga ma-maintain.
Mm-mm. And we're praying for that. No, we have continuously improved. I mean, we're not perfect couples, but we continue to kanang improve ourselves, like to become better. Sa una, kanang mas quick-tempered man siya. But I really prayed for him, for both of us, for our family. Masyak ang mga kids. Like, sa una, ulitan nga kay to si Papa, pero karon kay, dili na. And they would find it's a beautiful day, but then my kids would realize nga, it's not always kanang, it's not always happy. There are moments like you would become sad, you become kanang uncertain, no, about how you're going to feel. And I think, di ba kinsa kita nagsultian ng kids at some point, we remember our son mentioned about, I'm very afraid kanang we're too much happy today. Kanang, and then basin
Si Vincent.
later,
Vincent.
basin too much happy ta karon, and then later on lahi na sad. Ana sila, so
Gets anxious na and anticipating.
and so we pray for all of us in the family.
No? That's truly amazing, Ma'am Lorba, that even through the darkest moments that you had, like, you were able to really sail on and put your anchor back on your
Yes.
values and how you, for Sir Jerry, and how he's envisioning himself to really be a family man, going over with things that he also had envisioned for himself and for the family. So, murag, like right now, we have like several, of course, young couples.
Yes.
All are also in their bag-o pa nga galawig sa mga kaminyuon nga kinabuhi. If there are words of wisdom coming from a married couple who's already been into their 22 years right now, what simple words of wisdom could you share to like young couples that we have here? I think na mga pipila, like in books, or even those who are going through with navigating their first 5 years in their married life. Because you mentioned ang first 5 years to ninyo medyo challenging. What simple words of wisdom siguro can we have like from Sir Jerry and from you, Ma'am Lor?
Ikaw na.
Siguro no siguro by experience magini ato ako kay as a couple, they have to they have to show love na magid na ang kanang gugma kay siyempre nagminyo man no, pero usahay kay isa sa puna sa ato ang malimtan ba nga ang gugma is dili lang sa simple feeling, but kanang kinahanglan gid siya kanang mapakita nimo trabaho nimo, you have to nabang daily decision nimo nga ang imong wife ang imong always nga pangandoy sa kinabuhi nga mabot mo sa pagkatigulang. Isa gina sa kuan ba nga I believe nga mo gina siyang gihatag sa Ginoo sa kuha, like sa ako nga kuan. I once dreamed to become kadang lahi akong vocation, pero I accepted the kuan ba nga mo gini, I believe na mo gini gihatag sa Ginoo sa kuha nga calling. So every day must always be a decision to love your wife. Mga gina siya. and it will follow mo ang tanan nga murag no need na ka marimahin pa sa other nga kuan. Inana. You have to be,
So it's a daily decision.
yes, ma'am. That's correct na kuan. Continue being sa nasa muhang kuan, kinanglan po na mapakita kay like siya, grabe naman gini sa ka busy pa mga Japon eh. Mura magini kung kuan siya busy.
Daog nang karon.
Oo.
Busy nga word from Lord.
But wala na kaya di na kina big deal sa kuha kay I learned to
Communicate.
to communicate sa mga like sa mga batunon sa balay. Sa una mo yung pagiging ko nga sulag yan yung nga di ta ni trabaho sa bana marang sa una ko basta ngagito nga kanang undang na lang kagtrabaho ngita ko trabaho kaya lagi tag buhi inana ba so may nana but
And throughout these years, you've learned to accept
nalang ginako na nga na may mga twist sa kinabuhi ba nga ideally dapat inahanig yun pero akong dawaton kay mas makakita mga isaksakto ka trabaho kay sa kuha so
And you feel that mas fulfilling po sa iya ang pananaw
Yes,
mo, mas
ma'am.
happier siya sa iyong ginatrabaho.
dito po ko nakita na ko sa akong wife nga murag di kaysa ka sa akong mga anak so ako po mismo ako ni kuan sa iyahang mga kakulangon ni bali so mas malipay ko nga ana bang mauban ako gid akong mga anak kung wala siya marag diha ko mas mo maningkamot ba nga at least kung isa wala siya kay nasa trabaho or nasa travel
Support.
ang
Mas kampante.
kampante siya nga kampante sa akong mga anak nga o sa ilang mga need nga pamaagi so yeah ang kuan gyud decision nga to love always your wife sa tanang pamaagi
Partnership, no?
Mm.
Learning to be
Yeah.
sensitive to the needs of your partner.
Yes, ma'am. And then, lastly siguro kadang there is always a constant communication sa dili lang sa pamilya but sa among duha. Kana bang kung sa akong feeling masulti ako na nang natun-an sa iyaha. So na dili kay
So na-apply gid ang mga counseling theories, Ma'am Lor.
dili kay ko open sa kanang kuha. Kana bang nakatuon manggugo ako na natunan ba nga kung kaya nako ako ra gini ana ba. But ako natunan din nga kung couple gid ta anang dapat kabalo din siya sa akong mga unsay nasa akong thoughts. So manginana lang ba nang kinahanglan nga kung inani akong gibati suko ko o ginisulti nga suko ko si imuha. Mga ginana nga kuan.
Learning to be emotionally transparent.
Yes.
Salamat, Sir Gerard, sa imong mga
Of course. Aside from love, that it's not a feeling, it's really a decision. The value of patience and respect is very important. Kay both couples manggod are two different individuals, and they might have their own strengths and weaknesses, and you really have to be patient with him, no? Like I learned to be patient kanang when he's angry. I learned to be patient when there are expectations that couldn't be met. No? So with patience, I learned to be forgiving, and that's really very important. And respect also. Okay. Sa una, I would remember. I used to make decisions on my own, even if we're married. No? And then I learned, siya, minyo naman ta, so you have to tell me na unsay mga decision. So una, I would just buy anything I'd like in the house, katong mga bago pa minyo. And then he wasn't informed about it. So malain gid na siya. And of course, to show respect, you really have to also inform him of your plans, of your decision, and kana siyang respect and understanding nga kay usay magpatibabaw atong garbo will not be able to understand each other. So kana the value of understanding, and of course to be kind. My kids would sometimes ask kanang, dili man ikaw nakasala ma, but why are you saying sorry?
Really?
Oh, but I said you have to be also humble. I mean, you have to be, be humble. You have to take care of your relationship. No, Papa might not be able to say sorry in ways you'd like him to say sorry, but he might be apologetic and is asking for sorry, but not uttering the words. But he's showing it in action. So you can actually kana siya. So natunan gyapon sa mga kids, and of course the support and the support, I would remember him telling me kay prinsesa nagdako manggod ko nga prinsesa. I mean sa balay, when I was with my mama and papa, kanang it's always mama who's doing the household chores, doing the laundry and the kuan. So when I got married, nag-adjust gyud ko mamsayo. So, nakatuon na noon kog kaon ubutan, pag ninyo na namo. and all other things. So kanang when he said, my strength, your weakness, my strength. I mean, we complement each other's strengths and weaknesses. No, so when I'm not so good at the household chores, it's him who's actually very good at it. No? So when with the academics sa mga kids, ano siya, ikaw ana, kay mo man na. But with sports and kuan, iyan na siya. So kana your married life has to be founded on love, on commitment, on respect, and communication. And of course, do not forget the core of your relationship, that you're binded together by God. They always believe that when it's your calling and that God is placing you there, then you'll have to take care of it, because marriage is sacred, and God is binding you with love, faith, and hope, and so you'll have to work it out together. You'll have to kanang maningkamot na makapadayon amidst the challenges, no, with married life, para so that you'll prosper both as a married couple and as a family. Yes.
And
Napa ko'y nalintan?
so additional lang siguro
Yes.
ma'am no sa kuan, natunan sa nagkubangan ang atuang partner o ang asawa o bana marag dili siya RTW kana bang ready to ana kung unsa nimo yun sa nimo pagtaratar ang imong partner marag napud siya dako kay nga impact sa imong kuan ba. So kung sultian nimo siya nga di ko ganahan ana or ganahan ko ani, so at least nasa idea nga okay. So dili siya humandaan nga mapalit nato sa gaysano nga nang pagpaliton nimo pag magbayad pwede na nimo suoton. Ang kuan marag kanang kung gusto ka nga inana ang inyong relationship.
Tailor fit, yun.
Yes, ma'am. Kung gusto nimo nga inana ang imong dagan sa inyong relationship, so you have to kanang sulti ka sa kuan, then kanang kung like example na anaron nimo siya nga magkaon nga si Raisa. So all throughout the kuan inana gid ang setup na dayon. So muna nga as much as possible nga paningkamutan ginamo nga mag-uban gid yung pagkaon. Though ay namang gid mga bata karon kay say mokuha na lang og pagkaon sa lamisa then dito sa TV. But sa panahon sa tingsimba kada Domingo, as a father ako ginang paningkamutan nga mo gina ako ang kuan sa kinabuhi ba nga at least man lang ang members sa akong pamilya mo akong nabira paingon padul sa Ginoo ba. Murag ginana ba kay murag it's a big failure sa akong litan din ako na mabuhat. Murag ino na siguro ko sino nga yatagan na tagay ikag upat ka parisyoner, di pag hindi mo mabuhat.
no?
Parang
Kaya
inana ba?
daghan to kung
Yeah.
nahimong yung okay.
Yeah, parang inana siya, Ma'am Side. So,
So it's a
So the
mission.
essence
Yeah.
of-
always a mission good sa kwan. At least man lang sa pamilya, ako nang nabuhat nga kwan mission.
So the essence of dialogue, no?
Yeah.
The dialogue is very important.
Murag-
Share.
ang mga nangakutlo, daghan kay mga kutlo ang mga kuan siguro no? Or for those married couple gapon karon like those who are watching us right now no, from YouTube, from Facebook nato nga channel, and even sa Spotify nga namin kay available man pud sa Spotify. So murag I think from Sir Jerry ako lang makuha ito is really more on emotional transparency nga he learned to really go over nga maging transparent siya because you also taught him emotional literacy. Nga at some point, pwede man day i-express akong kasuko nga dili pwede nga dili sa mag-awa at the end. Transparent siya at some point ato nga mga punto which is I think very essential. Gibaslan sa dimo mga lore of like more siyang love language. Kasi lahi-lahi man gud ang mga love language. There are individuals who are very verbal, na uban non-verbal. There are like partners nga mas ginahan sila acts of service, like ang Sir Jerry, yang acts of service, not more into utterances. Napoy uban nga mas gusto sila into words, mas gusto sa dili kay sila into services. So iya ta, and I think mo to inyong gipakuan karong hapunan no nga you despite your differences pare-pareha man ta mo edad pero murag lahi-lahi mo gidak-an, lahi-lahi mo personalidad, but you learn to really blend and complement. And ang pinaka-challenging man gud ana is that your idiosyncrasies inyong kalahian, you were able to complement it, especially in raising these 3 beautiful children. Kay mo panggiingon ni Sir Jerry, mo niya sila nga itong mga parishioner. Di ba? Nga marag, how do we cater and usher these kids na dayon, labi na dito into their spiritual needs man po.
Yes.
So that's daghan siya mga kuan karon no, and looking at it is really like love isn't, or it's not just an emotion, it's not just a feeling. It's really a decision that you have to really katong yung giingon. You have to make every day. Kay kung pwede pa lang kuan, no, di man RTW nga lahi na pud akong paliton nga kuan bi kay murag dili man ni kuan na pod. So the kuan there is really the commitment per se. Kana gid siya no. So murag isa ra gid akong nakuha gid karon no, kung akong isam ang tanan-tanan sa inyong gipang kutlo. I think it all boils down to Bren Brown's statement bitaw that marriage isn't really 50-50 always. When you feel like it's 50-50, you have to, okay, kani mo kani po din mo But there are really times that at some point, 70 ang isa, 30 ang isa. Napoy panahon, si Ma'am Laura probably 10. At sa mga panahon during in 2011, Sister Jerry would stood as that 90%. So just to reach the 100%. So it has to be really a give and take. For the times that you have been with the Sir Jerry, especially during this time then, kasi usay naman ko'y panahon no nga, like kuan, we have to, dili gid mawala, kay labi na sa pananaw sa mga bata bitaw about gender roles. And I think I could also go over that. Mga naglahi man ilang pananaw nga, ano man mami, ikaw galingkod-lingkod diri gatan og TV niya si daddy dito ang galuto. Kay mo man daw sa book lagi daw nila. So usay mapasabot sa nato ba nga makita nila ang dynamics that it has to really go beyond the gender roles nga ilang nadak-an. And you as a couple really have nakita na nga narrative sa inyo, si Pete, si Ira.
Said niya, Ma, murag ka nang, murag si Papa ang bae niya, ikaw ang anak.
But diba? So makita niya nga, uy, no problem man sa akong ginikanan. So sa ilang pagdako and for them to be having their own families, it's no big deal manghugas sila plato, it's no big deal manglabas sila. Because you both as parents has really modeled out for you ug unsa ang kinabuhi nga kitchen doesn't belong solely to girls. It belongs to everyone. And I think that's really the most important thing. And I think it's really not just masking resilience, kasi we've been talking about resilience. Yours, Manggod, is really not just surviving marriage. It's really going over with intentionally making marriage thrive and flourish.
Yes.
Kaya, syempre, pag yung tao, sige, para lang gini sa mga anak. But you intentionally are making really the action of really working it more than just survival, to really an act of thriving and growing as married couples.
Yes.
And you with me this morning, this afternoon, is really a testament that Murag, you went over with that, and we wanted to share a portion of us to also to help other couples as well.
Yes.
That's why dako kay akong pasalamat Sir Jerry.
Thank you,
Kay Murag,
thank you.
Koan kaayo. Baby kasagara man God. Like we're having really couple na mga workshops. Usually men aren't so much very attuned of talks like this one. So but you explore showing and getting a feel of your own vulnerability this afternoon, that's already a big kuan na kaay nga tabang sa mga viewers po. Kasi at some point, mga vulnerabilities are actually turned into strength later on. And we never can tell that there are also some of us are also going through silent and quiet, siguro nga mga struggles of their own relationships or married lives. And at some point, your sharing could really be a very big help for them this afternoon.
Yes.
So,
Thank you, Ma'am
thank you,
Sai.
good kayo. But before we're off, may gamay lang ako, Yeah.
Hadaka.
So, kung ano siya, sa tagsa mo ni Ma'am Laura, me and me. Yeah. So, kung
okay.
kamoy magpataas. Kani kang Sir Jerry, ang him, kung siya. Ka Ma'am Laura, ang her. Yeah.
okay.
So, iana lang din mo, sir. Pwede lower pa ninyo pag makita ni mo nga asya gyud ni. Yeah. Pag makita ni mong ikaw na, ana. Okay? So, fast talk man ta na ta, pero di ni fast talk to.
Okay.
Lahi niya to.
Sige
Okay.
ka.
Ay, showbiz din eh.
Pangkuan.
Murag,
So,
Sige.
pwede po Ana, Sir Jer, para makita nato sa camera.
Okay.
Ana,
Sige.
Ana, Ma'am
Okay.
Lor. So, ipataas lang din ni mo, Ma'am Lor.
Him and me.
Sige. First, I think is, when we talk about conflict and disagreement, who is most likely to say sorry after? Pinakauna. Wow! So, obviously, correct. It's Ma'am Laura daw. Okay, me or her. Very good. Perfect. Okay. Second, if there are conflict and disagreement, who is most likely nga maghilom-hilom? Di magtingog.
Di ba di both?
Pwede na po. So, muna din yung nasa garden si Sir, na din ka sa sink. Kaya kahilom-hilom naman mong duwa na. Okay? Next. During occasions, anniversaries, or other occasions, who is most likely to really give gifts or anything? Kanang mga koan. Parehas sila. Him ug her. So, patas ang dagat. Okay. And here, who is most likely that after an argument, makatulog ra nga murag way nahitabo? So, ikaw dito, grabe na kanimong kuhan dito. Wala na to ka, Sir Jerry. Bala ka diya, natulog na siya. Okay. Okay. And who is most likely to really be very, very much particular about detalye, details? Ma-remember ang tanan-tanan. Dates, probably, mga inana, ginagmay, dinagko. Very particular. Okay. So, naghiman po si Ma'am Laura. Yay! So, both. Yay! Thank you so much. If there is just one bucket list sa inyo, or naman may bucket list siguro, no? If there is really one of those bucket lists, I'll have it to yourself. Kaya syempre, para inyo ana. But naana ba sa inyong mga bucket list ang inyong na-put into tick na ninyo? As a married couple, do you have like a bucket list that this is what we want? O naana ba pipila nga inyong na-chika na?
Yes.
Maybe you can share us just like one before we're wrapping this our conversation.
We travel together with the
Okay, so
kids.
that's
a very far travel.
Okay, so that's one thing that you have for the family. Your travels are intentional, or is it really like annual, dapat makabiyahe gyud?
Naay intentional and others are unplanned.
That's good. Okay, so I think that really is something mang good. Like once we have a bucket list, it's something that also gives us the motivation.
of course, my 3 children.
Ang bucket list.
Bucket list.
A vase.
To have ikuan, kanabang simple garden. Sana sa ko ang pangandoy gyud nga kabilin pud sa akong mama bitaw nga marag mo na yang hatag sa kuha nga
Ang pagkahilig, sir,
yes.
sa tanom.
isa sa ginasa.
Sige, mamaligya na ka sa kuan, sir. Na nakay-kuan sa kaamulan karon. Pero coping, that's your way of, right?
And
Wala na mo
remember
relieving
na
stress.
legacy, yeah.
It's an investment nga siguro lisod sa ang iyahang return of investment.
Lagi,
Pero
dili.
ang
Ang fulfillment.
fulfillment, yes na.
Yes.
Para ginako ang kuan. Every time makita na ako mga bulak, bahala ka ako orang wife ko maka-appreciate. Happy na kay kuan.
Appreciate ka na mo, sir. Kaya mo
Appreciate
gitong
mo.
gituan.
Ah,
Magamit na
course.
magito na mo.
Akong pots ra gid akong ambag ana on sile.
But yeah, no, iya tag coping. And thank you also for sharing your imong interest manggod has also been dili lagi ko, sir, si Ma'am Laura, maka-appreciate gid mo. Usahay mo gud ato interest transcends beyond our own kuan without us even knowing that it has already been impacting other people, Ma'am Pod. And your presence with us this afternoon is truly an impact.
Thank you sa
Siguro for
Thank
the rest of the Buksu community. And before we're off, maybe like a little words lang siguro sa matag usa before we're setting this as a wrap. Kasi nakay words nga ikahatag lang, things that you wanted to say. Grabe na gid ka pang showbiz na gid ato kuan dire.
Yeah, sige, ikaw kuan.
Ako na?
Oh. Ladies first.
Ladies
yes,
first.
ladies. Oh, thank you. Thank you for loving me and for
Kanta mo na.
accepting me as who I am and for choosing us. Yeah. And I love you. Thank you.
Simple naman nga words wa na may kuan.
Thank you.
But yeah, siguro no I'm always grateful sa Ginoo kay for sa kadaghan sa ako ang mga struggles kinabuhi when I think and ma-recall na ko nga I have my family. Ano ko kanang bahala na mo diyan sa kalibot. Mara ginana ba? Ang akong pamilya is grabe ka kadako kayo kahatag og mga unsa ko ka ligon pod kay as I said gikan ko sa broken family and sobra-sobra makaingon pa gigo nga to think nga this is my family, this is my wife, and these are my children. I feel the love and ma-feel gina ko nga love ko sa Ginoo despite nga kanabang wala ko sa ako ang first nga vocation nga gikuan. Namon sa gugoy kahadlok sa una kanabang magunahuna ko nga para ba ko napari Lord nga basig ko say mga silutan
Punishment.
mas silutan ko nimo but makita na ko ang dagan sa akong family and to think that Laura is my wife and I'm really happy for that siguro no thank you for all the opportunity to grow. That's all.
So we'll grow together. We'll grow all together. Yeah.
So wow, thank you
Thank you.
kayo no for really sparing us your afternoon, Ma'am Lor, Sir Jer, no. So truly we have really siguro have I think our viewers really did have learned that indeed love is really a daily decision to make. And katong imong statement, Ma'am Lor, that it's really to choose you over and over again.
Yes.
And I think that's what you have really have shown your kids for showing, for choosing each other for 22 years and beyond, buhon, silver, and golden.
Yeah.
And I think the Buksu Center for Advocacy and Resilience is very much grateful for your presence with us this afternoon alongside with Information Unit for sharing with us through this podcast episode ang inyo apong marital nga kinabuhi, and we really look forward that this would be able to really inspire also couples who are there and those also who are planning to also get into marriage na dayon, into married life. So we hope that our story this afternoon would be an inspiration. Again, our gratitude.
Thank you.
Yay!
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Salamat.
As we close this meaningful conversation, we are reminded that love is not sustained by feelings alone. It is sustained by daily choices. To our guests this afternoon, thank you for showing us that love and purpose can actually work together. And to our viewers this afternoon, may you find the love that is patient, forgiving, and committed. Again, this has been Real Minds, Real Stories, where we celebrate the strength of every story. Until next time, stay grounded, stay inspired, and remember, your story matters.